Hi, welcome back. I'm Brittany and this is the College for Dancers series. Today we are going to talk about the application process. It is practically a full-time job just trying to apply for college. And what makes it worse is the process is different for each school or university. I really think the dance schools could collaborate and use some similar combinations or requirements just so you don't have to be tortured your senior year. But hey, what do I know? If you don't already know, when applying, you often have to get into the university first. Then once you've been accepted, there's a separate application process to get into the school of dance, theater, or art, whatever you're trying to get into. This is more time-consuming, costlier, and more stressful than many other majors. It's important to know because if you want to audition, but your application hasn't been reviewed yet, you might miss the chance. And while university admissions are often rolling for the university, in-person dance auditions only happen 2 to 3 times a year. So the real question is, how can you apply and make your senior year more manageable? First of all, make sure you've organized your schools of interest and consolidated all requirements. I've included my spreadsheet in the link below where I've already done this work for you. I've included a lot of schools. You can cut it down based off of who you're looking at. But second, applying to the university or college, not the dance school, there is no limit to how many applications you can submit, but each one takes time and money. You could consider filling out the common application. I missed the boat on this in high school, but it looks pretty great. I'm not sure if you have a higher or lower chance at getting in by doing this, by using the common application, but I kind of doubt it. There are other experts out there about the common application, so go Google that and let me know what you learn. Third, prepare what you are able to ahead of time. Some schools have odd requirements that are time-consuming. You don't want to complete all the videos, exercises, college applications, then realize you still have a lot of junk to come up with. Try to get this done ASAP or even in the summer. Some examples are a dance resume, first arabesque photograph, and a headshot. So if you get senior photos done, make sure you take a nice headshot, not a selfie. Hey, ooh, what is that? What is that? I don't know. Then most videos ask for you to slate and answer some questions. Don't wait for the day to film to come up with these answers. Do it like it's homework. Set a deadline a week prior to practice and sound natural. Or hey, you can even set up a teleprompter if you have access, which you all do because you all have tablets and phones. There's plenty of apps out there. That sounds like a cheat, but is it cheating or using your resources to sound professional? I hope you're starting to see how you can make your future brighter and less stressful. Remember, it's all about doing a little work today to save a lot of time and stress tomorrow. I know that sounds like a cliche, but it's true. You know what? I didn't have all the answers back in high school either, and it was tough. But now I'm here to help you speed up that process and make your journey smoother. If you've picked up just one valuable thing from today's video, don't forget to show your support by clicking that like button. And hey, for even more amazing college application tips and cool stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button.